Hi guys, it's Haley. I've got a quiet moment in the store, so I thought I would show you my Mabel KAL sweater that I finished. And instead of taking a million uncomfortable, awkward, fake posed photos, I would just make a video and show you. And I can like be without a mask for 10 minutes maybe. That would be nice. Anyway, it turned out really nice. It's soft, it's fluffy. I didn't finish the neckline, but I'll tell you about that more. I added a little bit of length in the body because the smallest size really wasn't designed for a person in my size frame. It came up to here when I tried it on. It was short. But it worked out really, really nice and I'm happy with it. And once I figured out the chart, which I made a video about, it was all gravy. It was good. So keep watching. I'll talk more and we'll talk to you later. Hi guys, this is Haley from Knit-A-Matic, and this is Gru. Here's Gru. Here's Gru. Hi Gru. Hi sweetie. Are you exploring the sweater? Yeah, you're exploring the sweater. You're a good boy. Sometimes, except when you bite me, then you're just a bird. Anyway, this is my Mabel, my Cocoknits knit along sweater. I have finished it. I think I've finished it. And I just wanted to show you how it turned out. It turned out really well. It actually looks really good on me. I'll have to try and take a photo. And I'm sorry I can't get it all in this shot. I've got this crane thing and it just won't go high enough for a sweater. But it turned out pretty well. The only thing I wasn't sure about was the underarms. I followed the underarm technique that was in the pattern because I figured, well, you know, like maybe I'll learn something. Maybe they did it for a reason. But I have to say they do like a seamed underarm and I don't love it. I don't love it. Normally I would do a pick up the underarm, and I will include a good couple of videos on how to do that nicely because, to be honest, there are people on the web who do it a lot better than I do. And their videos are better. So I will include that in the notes in this video and on our website and everywhere it gets posted. Yeah, they do a sewn one. It's sort of like it's a grafted thing. So they bind off and then they cast on again and then they graft. But like usually you end up with these little gaps in the underarms. You know, like these are the stitches that are grafted, but then you have like gaps on either side, and I had the gaps. And in the Cocoknits video, they do a good job of showing you how to graft the parts that are bound off and cast back on, but they don't have any little gaps. And I had like the normal gaps, because the gaps on either side are normal. So I wasn't really in love with that. In their video, they say that they like that because it gives it structure. I don't really feel like my armpits need structure, to be honest. I'm not really feeling like that's where structure needs to be in a garment. Usually it's definitely like through the shoulders that I like some structure. In the sleeve seam, some structure is nice. But in the underarms, I'm good with a pickup, the underarms. So I would skip that if I did it again. And I would totally do it again. Just not my favorite technique. And I don't think that I would advise it to any of my clients. And the neckline, I was going to originally do like a turtleneck or a mock turtleneck or something, but I tried on the sweater to see how it was fitting, and it actually looks really pretty on me with just the neck unfinished, so I left it. And my neckline isn't actually looking like flawless because I didn't intend to have an unfinished neckline, so I didn't even put much thought into it. I was individually, but it looks okay, it's fine. I don't think it's very noticeable because of the fuzzy yarn. So I'm just gonna leave it that way for now. And if I wanna change it, I have the extra yarn and I can always pick it up. What I'd say is it was a good exercise in understanding ease. Ease is the space between your body, or the body that the sweater is on, and the sweater. So there's like space in between. So positive ease means there's extra space between you and your body, and negative ease means there's less, so it's stretched. And the thing about ease is that the thicker the yarn is, the bigger the tension is, or like the smaller the tension number is. So like, you know, if your tension's around 10 stitches, you've got like bigger stitches. So like the bigger your stitches are physically, the more space the sweater takes up. So the thicker the yarn, the more space the sweater takes up. And it eats up the ease, or that space between you and the sweater. So you actually need a physically bigger sweater when the yarn is thicker to fit the same way that a thinner sweater would fit. And I'm normally used to wearing thinner sweaters. I don't usually wear thicker ones. And I estimated that the smallest size would fit me because I'm pretty petite right now. I've lost some weight during the pandemic, and I'm a little bit lean. And so it fits it fits pretty trim. The sweater fits trim. I didn't account for it. So I was thinking that it would fit looser, and it didn't. It fits pretty trim. So I'm sort of like, I think I'm in sort of the negative ease space where it's stretching and it's fitted, which is fine. I mean, when you're petite, that's easy. It looks good, but it isn't what I anticipated. So that was one thing that I was reminded of about ease, is that when it's thicker, you do need to go up a size, you know, or anticipate that. So if you fit a 34 and you knit a 34 in a thicker yarn, it might be a lot smaller than you thought it was going to be. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm happy with the yarn. It looks really pretty. I'm really happy with the color. I still don't understand it, but you know what? Maybe understanding is overrated. It's very pretty. It's very soft and fluffy and airy. I think I'll try and wear it at the store today. And the color is like this weird color. I love it. It's really cool. It's very neutral, but it's got a color to it. It's pinky, but it's not pink. It's fleshy, but it's not pink. Flesh. It's really cool. And oh, look, there's little bits of millet in there. Well, you live with a bird, you got bird stuff in. But overall, I'm really happy. So yeah, definitely underarms, I wouldn't do again, but the rest of the pattern was good. The instructions were good. The video for doing the underarms was good. There's something going on here with my shoulders, with the technique. It might just be part of the technique or how I picked up. I don't know. To be honest, my perfectionism is waning. My perfectionism is definitely waning. I'm really working on letting go of that. We've been doing that in the KNITSANA group, or groups. But the KNITSANA workshops definitely take a look at our perfectionism and see where we're at with that. And so I've been working on that, and maybe just letting things be. Let it be, and so I'm not really super worried about it. And even if it isn't, I don't know if it's supposed to look like that with that little thing there, but it looks fine. I'm good with it. The sweater looks good on. I think that that's what's important. I think enjoying it is what's important, and I enjoyed making it, and hopefully I'll enjoy wearing it. I think that's really important. I want to enjoy wearing it. And I'm looking forward to enjoying wearing it. So I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful that I did this knit along. I'm grateful for their support. The emails and the support and the videos were really good. I'm grateful I got the opportunity to make videos for you guys and share my experience and share the chart. And now I know how to do it. I'm gonna make another one. I think I'll make a summer one. I'll use some linen. I think that it will be perfect in the Quince & Company Kestrel. So that is my next shot. I think it's time for a new summer sweater. Anyway, please don't forget to like this video and leave comments. Comments are really, really helpful. And if you have any questions, please, let me know in the comments. That's good. I'm trying to reply at this point in time. I don't have a lot of videos or following, so I've got, an opportunity to reply. That's really great. And please sign up to follow my videos. That really helps with the algorithm. It's great for my external validation to know that you're following, but you'll also get updates so you can see when I post other videos, which is really good. And it definitely motivates me to make more videos, and I think it's really great for all of us to just put our wisdom out there. And I would really like to put my wisdom out there in the world for everybody to access. And when you sign up and follow, it gives everybody more access. And I think that is great. I think the world could use a little bit more of that. Anyway, till later, thank you so much. Very grateful you watched. I appreciate it. I hope that if you do one of the Cocoknits sweaters, that you enjoy it. And let me know how it goes. It'd be really great, especially if you do a different sweater. I'm going to do a different sweater next time. I think one from the book. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.